So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic electric field. So guys, this video will be about types of distribution of charges. So in short, to stay till the end of this video, as you just have just this one question to answer here. It says, charges on a conductor are A, evenly distributed over a surface of any shape, B, concentrated at the outer flat surface of the conductor, C, concentrated on the inner surface of the conductor, D, generally concentrated at sharply curved surfaces. So guys, the answer to this question here is option D. The charges on a conductor are generally concentrated at sharply curved surface. And that's it for this question. So this will end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson guys, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, I want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.